Ever puzzled over how business analysts visualize requirements before the actual development kicks off? Well, it's all about the tools and techniques they employ. Today, we're diving into the world of wireframing tools and traditional methods like whiteboards with markers. Scene script. Think of wireframing as the skeleton of your project. It's a visual guide that represents the page structure, as well as its hierarchy and key elements. Tools like Balsamiq and Pencil have become the go-to for many business analysts. Why? Well, these tools offer flexibility, functionality, and are designed to help you create mock-ups quickly and efficiently. Now imagine taking a marker to a whiteboard. It's tactile, it's immediate, and it's collaborative. There's something about the physical act of drawing that can make brainstorming sessions more productive. Plus, it's easy to make changes on the fly. Yet, traditional methods come with their own set of challenges. They can be time-consuming and less precise. And let's not forget about the potential for smudges and erasures that can leave everyone confused. On the other hand, wireframing tools, while offering precision and efficiency, may lack the organic feel of a whiteboard session. They might also require a learning curve, as each tool has its own unique set of features and capabilities. So, which one should you choose? That depends entirely on your style and the needs of your project. Some business analysts might prefer the precision and functionality of wireframing tools, while others might lean towards the spontaneity and collaboration of a good old whiteboard session. In summary, both wireframing tools and traditional methods have their own merits. Wireframing tools offer precision, efficiency, and functionality, while whiteboards provide a more organic and collaborative experience. Ultimately, the choice boils down to personal preference and project requirements. Remember, the goal is to keep the process as simple as possible for everyone involved. Whether you're sketching on a whiteboard or creating a digital mock-up, the focus should always be on visualizing the requirements effectively. This is BA Thinking Hat, saying thank you for tuning in. We hope this insight into the world of business analysts has been enlightening. Until next time, keep those thinking hats on.